In Contact Manager, you can manage your contacts' details, keep track of their engagement, enter transactions, and configure nurturing settings for leads. You can see the total number of contacts, the number of contacts that are active and receive your email marketing, versus the ones that engage with your marketing material. You can also see how many leads are being nurtured at the moment. You can easily add a new contact, record all important information like email address, phone number, date of birth, etc. Set a relevant category. Determine if the contact is a buyer or seller. The source. And also you can tag to group contacts together. You can also import or export contacts from or onto an Excel sheet, or simply sync with Google Contacts. By clicking Edit, for each contact you can edit their details as needed. Under Transactions, you can assign a purchase or lease transaction to this client. Say if this is a buyer and you've been able to buy a new property for this contact. This way you know how profitable each one of your contacts has been and adjust your policies accordingly. This feature is available to Business Master and Lead Master subscribers. Under Accounting, you can view a clear breakdown of your earnings versus expenses assigned to this contact, enabling you to measure ROI per contact. Again, this feature is available to Business Master and Lead Master subscribers. Nurturing Control tab is where you can configure automated communication for this contact. Configurations on this tab determine how the system automatically creates and sends out smart drip campaigns to dynamically nurture every individual lead. You can set whether you'd like newsletters and greetings to be sent out automatically to this contact. Now this feature is available to Business Master and Lead Master subscribers. You can also configure the criteria based on which smart campaigns will be crafted for this lead, as a buyer or as a seller. This feature is only available to Lead Master subscribers.